guys, welcome back to our little. Today we are going to open Polly Pocket. Polly Pocket. Hope. There we go. Oh, open. Nice open. Aha! My Polly Pocket. Now, Daddy. What is on this thing? That's good. It is so cute. I'm gonna put stickers in my Polly Pockets. Don't wanna break it. Don't wanna break it. It's stuck. Now we can get it out. There we go. Now do this one. This one, right front, don't. It's a doggy. I don't want to put my stickers on. Look at the feet, so squishy. Ooh, sticky on that. Upside down. This one? Switch places. Like that. Oh, that kitten is so cute. What kind of? I'm gonna take out my Polly Pockets. Now, what does this turn into? Oh, a looking for. Cute. She's so cute. Wait, does she wear glasses? Yeah. Oh, because you can't see here. I'm gonna put it right here. I didn't know I got a stomach bone. We're playing some video games. Play some video games after when it's finished. the sky. The sky. Ooh. It's a motorcycle. Your squishy toy is gonna come off. Is that a microphone? Is it a microphone? Yeah. It's a microphone? Yeah. Where do you want to put it? Yeah. Bye guys. See you next time.